Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 3LT chrome wheels in Daytona Sunset Orange Metallic. Just an absolutely stunning car, owned by an older gentleman, never out in the rain, 4,000 kilometers, NPP Performance Exhaust that you see down there. All the stuff's with it, including the original brochure, as well as factory extended warranty signed over right there. And the factory warranty is good until 15/06/22. So 2022. Awesome, full warranty all the way. It's got the cargo net, cargo covers, front license brackets, all the stuff's there. He had taken excellent care of the car, as you can see. It's got the larger rear spoiler, this beautiful chrome wheels. Those are stunning, and have a look at those brakes. They are just like brand new. Like, this car is in great condition. Have a look there on the passenger power seat, 8-way multifunctional power with lumbar and side bolster in outstanding condition, as you can see. Have a look in the door frame there, as I'm just checking in the glove box here, and yes, the books are there, the wheel locks are there, everything included. So fabulous. Bose sound system is included also, and removable roof that goes in the back. Nice chrome Stingray. The chrome wheels, painted calipers, gray painted calipers there, look fabulous. Very subtle on this beautiful Sunset Orange Metallic. Wow, Daytona Sunset Orange, gorgeous color. Engine, that of course is your 6.2 liter, 455 horsepower, add a little more for the NPP Performance Exhaust, and it is just stunning everywhere. So it's got a little 3M on it, 3M clear that you can see right there. So my finger's showing the line on that front. And again, the front is in impeccable condition. There's not a mark on it. Just gorgeous. So if you're really fussy, this is the car for you, because there's not a mark. The Corvette wheels are stunning, no curb rash, no issues, lots of rubber on the tires. The gentleman was an older gentleman who just couldn't drive it any longer and moved to a different vehicle. But he certainly enjoyed it while he had it. And have a look here. Excellent condition on the inside and outside. Beautiful. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Automatic transmission, 8-speed automatic. And there's your USB line in and power outlet. It has factory navigation, heated and cooled seats, and of course that exhaust, that NPP exhaust is fabulous. Here is the navigation. And have a look throughout the interior. It is just beautiful. Steering wheel in awesome condition. All the steering wheel controls are there, your cruise control, your stations, your volume, the controls up here for your dash so that you can change all the info, set it to audio in the middle, set it to navigation in the middle, and have your factory nav plug in right there. There is your nav, by the way, and there is your nav in the center screen now too. Paddle shifters, as well as heads-up display. All the options. This is just a beauty. Have a look in the door frame there as I'm getting out. It is gorgeous. Memory seat package, power windows, power locks, 8-way power seat plus lumbar and side bolster adjustments, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, all the toys. Look at that. That is downright gorgeous. What a beauty. So again, the wheels are all in great condition. They have the painted calipers and the rotors are just beautiful. The chrome wheels are gorgeous. That NPP Performance Exhaust has the dampers in it. So you'll see down in there, damper, closest to give you full throttle. That open exhaust, which really lights it up. Looks fabulous. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Daytona Sunset Orange Metallic, chrome wheels, 3LT, 4,000 kilometers, extended warranty till 2022. That is an awesome machine. It's here and available at MunroMotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.